Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to share with you guys another power hour video. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So I began my power hour by washing some towels. I usually add vinegar and baking soda to cold water. Together they become a disinfectant and a sanitizer. Baking soda is a deodorizer and can brighten any type of colored clothing. The reason I use cold water is because it is more efficient and it helps with the heating bill. So I'm using this glass and surface cleanser here today because my multi-purpose e-cloth was washing at the time. Now I'm using my Bond Amy Power Cleanser to clean my sink. This cleanser is a natural home cleanser. It's non-toxic and absorbs odors, cleaning everything from dried on foods to scuff marks. I enjoy this scent from the Mrs. Meyer's collection. This toilet bowl cleanser here, it can kill up to 99% of household bacteria. So if you enjoyed this type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. On my channel, I do cleaning, haul, and DIY type of project videos. So while cleaning your home, what do you like to do? I enjoy listening to music or an audible. Leave me a comment down below. So my half bath can get pretty dirty at times because I tend to focus a little more on my main bath. So now it was time for my kitchen and it was a mess. It was about 10:30 at this time, and remember, I'm trying to challenge myself to see what I can get finished in an hour. So I ended up using this Ajax dish soap. So I'm waiting on a shipment from Grove Collaborative any day now because I just love, if you're new here, I love using Grove Collaborative. Their cleaning products for the most part. So I was out of the dish soap, so I ended up using my Ajax soap instead.
Beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me.
Now this is one of my favorite products from Mrs. Meyer. Why you say? Because it is rooted in goodness. I love this little brush. It is easy to hold and it gets all the grimy, gritty stuff off your dishes. All other products seen in today's video will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Alright you guys, so I have finished for the most part my power hour. I just wanted to get some things done before leaving because I had some errands to do today. For the most part, I ended up finishing a lot and got some things accomplished. I ended up cleaning up the half bath downstairs. I ended up finishing the dishes in the kitchen. And I'm gonna tell you, you guys, look at this. All this sweat right here. It is just too hot to be doing any type of cleaning. That's why I like to do it early. And I didn't do it early enough because I started at about 10 something o'clock this morning. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be inspired to do your own power hour. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on